In ancient times, in a distant kingdom filled with peace, there was a princess named Layla. Layla was known for her enchanting beauty and kind heart. She lived in a beautiful palace surrounded by lush green forests and vibrant meadows. One day, while Layla was strolling in the forest, she met a handsome young man named Hassan. Hassan was a prince from a neighboring kingdom, enamored with adventure and exploring nature. When they met, they both felt a strange attraction towards each other. They talked at length about their lives and dreams, discovering they had much in common. They began to meet regularly in the forest, spending time together wandering and enjoying the beauty of nature. Over time, a deep love blossomed between them. But it wasn't all easy. There was an old feud between Layla's and Hassan's kingdoms, and people in both kingdoms were wary of each other. When the king and queen of Layla's kingdom learned of their daughter's love for Prince Hassan, they decided to test Hassan to see his seriousness and sincerity. The king asked Hassan to complete 3 difficult tasks to prove his love for the princess. The first was to find a rare flower that only grew at the top of the mountain. The second was to rescue a small village from a giant beast threatening it. And the third was to fetch water from an enchanted well in a dark forest. Hassan accepted the challenge bravely. He succeeded in finding the rare flower after a tough journey to the mountain top. Then he defeated the beast and saved the village with his courage and wit. Finally, he overcame all dangers in the dark forest and brought water from the enchanted well. When Hassan returned with the 3 tasks completed, the king and queen realized he deserved their daughter's love and that he was a noble and sincere young man. They agreed to his marriage to Layla, and a grand wedding was held uniting the people of both kingdoms, ending the old feud. Hassan and Layla lived happily and peacefully together, their story passed down through generations as an example of true love, bravery, and loyalty.